Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the sleek and stylish 2025 Mazda 3, a compact car that continues to punch above its weight in almost every category. Starting with the exterior, the 2025 Mazda 3 maintains its signature Kodo design language, offering a sculpted, refined silhouette that balances elegance with sporty aggression. Slim LED headlights, a bold front grille, and refined aerodynamic lines give it a premium presence rarely seen in its class. Moving inside, the cabin feels like a space pulled from a luxury sedan, with soft touch materials, a minimalist yet functional layout, and an upgraded infotainment system featuring a larger 10.25-inch screen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Under the hood, performance remains a strong point, with a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine producing up to 191 horsepower, or an available turbocharged version cranking out a thrilling 250 horsepower when using premium fuel, all paired with responsive handling and a smooth ride that keeps the Mazda 3 among the most engaging cars to drive in its segment. Safety-wise, Mazda includes its iActive Sense suite as standard, bringing adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking, ensuring peace of mind for every drive. One of the unique selling points of the 2025 Mazda 3 is its near-premium build quality and driving dynamics at a mainstream price, making it a standout for those who crave both style and substance without breaking the bank. Pricing for the 2025 Mazda 3 starts around $24,000 for the base model and can climb to just under $35,000 for the top-tier turbocharged trims with all the bells and whistles. In conclusion, the 2025 Mazda 3 continues to set the benchmark for what a compact car can be. Beautifully designed, enjoyable to drive, packed with tech and safety, and competitively priced. If you're looking for a car that delivers more than expected in every category, the Mazda 3 absolutely deserves a spot on your shortlist.